Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about the amazing atmosphere and how we're changing it so dramatically. So be prepared and amazed for this awesome ride.
So how are we changing the atmosphere? One of the main reasons is the use of fossil fuels. We burn these fuels every day through the use of cars, power plants and aeroplanes. These machines produce harmful pollutants which Peter will explain in more detail.
Harmful pollutants such as nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide are released into the atmosphere. They mix with the clouds to produce dilute acids. As the acid condenses, it results in acid rain, which is really harmful to the environment as it kills trees and fish. This damage can cause huge environmental problems, but the costs are high as well. For example, the state of Virginia suffered over $39 million of damage.
Acid rain also defaces sculptures and historical monuments which are made out of marble and limestone as the sulfuric acid reacts with calcium carbonate to produce water, gas and calcium sulfate. This is one of the reasons why factories that produce these harmful gases are often on the outskirts of cities. On the other hand, acid rain tends not to harm humans directly, as the acid is too dilute, but the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide that causes acid rain can cause lung problems and bronchitis.
However, that isn't the only problem. When we burn fossil fuels, nitrogen oxides are released into the air and it reacts in the sunlight to make ozone, which can produce photochemical smog.
When this smog reaches a high concentration, it can be extremely toxic and can ultimately cause difficulty in breathing, which can often lead to death if not controlled. This was shown in 1952 when 4,000 lives were claimed by the Great Smog.
When fossil fuels burn with a poor supply of oxygen, incomplete combustion occurs and carbon monoxide is produced. Carbon monoxide is dangerous in high concentrations. It can lead to fainting, comas and even death. The reason why carbon monoxide is so dangerous is that it latches on to the hemoglobin of the red blood cell, often displacing the oxygen particles. This in turn lowers the oxygen supply to your muscles.
Thanks for listening. The end.